I have a house surrounded by mountain laurel bushes. Can they be cut back? When is the time to do it? How far back can I go? They have gotten so big that I can't see anything from my porch anymore. Thanks, and this is Gil in Western North Carolina. So Celeste, yeah, they got real big. He can't see from his porch anymore.
Yes.
We want,
I bet
we want him
they're
to see from his
beautiful.
porch.
I bet the plants are beautiful.
Yeah, probably beautiful flowers too as well.
But I understand that it's not conducive to how he needs them to be behaving.
Yeah.
So a couple tips. Yes, you certainly can prune these mountain laurels. The best time to prune our flowering woody shrubs is going to be while they're dormant. I realize that they, have a spring bloom, so you may lose some of bloom that you had anticipated, right? Since we're doing some pruning. But if you're needing to do significant pruning, to large established woody plants, dormant season would be a great time to do that to reduce the size. We don't want to take off any more of about a third of the total, canopy of that plant when you're drawing that back down. And even if that's not enough, say that removing a third of that plant isn't enough to get it down below your porch, just do a third this year, let it regrow, and then let's do the same thing again next year and just work on it, right? So that we're bringing that canopy down shortly instead of just rejuvenation pruning where you just chop the whole thing off. That's super stressful.
Yes. Yeah,
very
shock
stressful.
the plant to death. For the most
And
part.
we don't want to mess up a plant that's already looking beautiful. It's just a little big.
Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.